The Watts Premier RO Pure Plus system is a compact reverse osmosis unit designed to fit under small counter spaces, ensuring it can be installed in most kitchens. This system includes 4 pre-installed filters and a brushed nickel top-mount twist air gap faucet, which collectively work to deliver crystal clear and great-tasting drinking water. The filtration system features a 5-micron sediment filter, a 5-micron carbon block filter, a VOC carbon block final polishing filter, and a 50 GPD membrane to effectively reduce impurities. Designed with convenience in mind, the system requires fewer tube connections, includes check valves to prevent backflow, and the filters can be replaced with a simple push-button release. Certified to NSF ANSI standards 53, 58, and 372, all components are constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Watts Premier, a trusted leader in water filtration since 1989, continues to innovate with products like the RO Pure Plus, which exceed industry standards and offer dependable water purification solutions.